Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be using our Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill to make really good Mexican street corn. So you ready? Let's get into this. For our ingredients, we need our ears of corn, some crumpled Mexican cotija cheese, lime juice, avocado oil, a little salt and pepper combination, our secondary herb combination, which is a little bit of granulated garlic and onion powder, some fresh cilantro, a little bit of Mexican sour cream, and last but not least, a little bit of mayonnaise. You can buy your mayonnaise from the store, but if you have an immersion blender, you can make it yourself. That's what we did here, and if you'd like to learn how to make that, we will link the video to that above. If you decide you want to make this recipe, all the ingredients and measurements are down in the description of the video, along with the calorie count, the protein, the carbs, and the fat. The first thing we want to do is preheat the Smart Grill. So first, open it up and make sure we have our grilling plate in here. And as you can see, we do. Then we're going to turn this on, set the grill to the maximum temperature, and we're going to set this time to 12 minutes. Once you've got that, you can hit start, and we'll wait for this to preheat. While we're waiting for that Ninja Grill to preheat, we can go ahead and get our corn ready to cook. So we're just going to take our avocado oil and brush that onto all your corn on the cob. Be sure you get both sides of this really good, and brush this onto the back. And once you got a nice layer of oil on all your corn, we can put on our salt and pepper combination. Just make sure you have that mixed really well so you get even portions of both on all of your corn. This is why you wanted to make sure you had an even coat of oil, because that is really what's going to make these herbs stick to the corn for you on the grill. And be sure to get both sides. Once the preheat finishes, it'll tell you when to put your food in, so we can open this up, throw in our corn. Just be really careful because that grill plate is going to be super hot. Close this up, and when it gets about halfway done, the machine will prompt us to flip, and that should take no time at all.
2,000 years later.
See, that didn't take long at all, did it? Anyway, once that's about halfway done, we can open this up. And we can flip our cobs. Be sure to do this with tongs because these are going to be really hot. Now we can close this up and finish our cook. By the way, if this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. And while this is finishing up, we can take that remaining cook time and prep the last of our ingredients. First, let's chop up our cilantro and get rid of the stems. And we'll just set these aside for now. And then we're going to take a medium mixing bowl, throw in the cotija cheese, our garlic and onion powder, our lime juice, sour cream, and our mayonnaise. You're going to want to mix this up really good to get it nice and consistent. Really, this is just going to take more than maybe 10 seconds or so. And then this stuff is ready to go. All right, let's check this out. Ooh, and those are looking good. Let's get these finished up. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about Joe's Phenomenal, you can watch a couple more videos, or you can check us out online at joesphenomenal.com. That corn came out delicious, and the best part is it's so quick and easy to make, even a caveman can do it.
What?
Oh no,
Not cool.
I did not know you were there. I could know.
If you want some more information about the Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill that we used in this recipe, we do have an Amazon affiliate link to it down in the description of the video. If you purchase anything through those links, we do make a small commission, but it doesn't change the price that you pay 1 cent. I thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out of your busy day to watch this video. It really means a lot to me, and I can't wait to see you back again here really soon. So until that time, I'm Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.